Namaskar parents, good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. My name is Arjun from New Era Global School. So first, start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Vrishtivardhanam Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes and slowly open your eyes and now you feel fresh. Very good. So today's session we start with phonics sound. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says G says G, H says I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says P, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, V says V, W says V, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, Z says Z. So what is the phonic sound of Z? Z. So phonic sound is done. Now after letters A after B, B after C, C after D, D after E after F, F after G, G after H, H after I after J, J after K, K after L, L after M, M after O, sorry, M after N after O after P after Q after R after S after T after U after V after W after X after Y after Z. So our after letter is done. Now let's start time. In few weeks we learn letter K. Yes, we learn how to write small letter K, capital letter K. K says K. K says K. K for kettle, K for kite. K says K. So after letter K, which letter will come? Letter L. L, right? And L says L. L says L. L for leaf, L for look, L for line. How we write the letter L? Small letter L, standing line. Capital letter L, standing line, slipping line, right? So L after M. Yes, L after M. So what did we learn today? Today we learn a new letter. What is the phonic sound of M? What is the phonic sound of M? Capital letter M, small letter M. M for monster. M for monster. M for mouse. So today I will show you multimedia of letter M story related letter M. So shall we start? So now listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, start.
Letter M. Milana the Magician by Ridhima Rawal.
The story name is Milana the Magician. Milana the Magician.
Milana is a little magician. She has a magical mat.
Milana is a girl. Milana is a little magician. And she has a magical mat. She has a magical mat.
She can change a mushroom into a mango.
Oh wow!
Her mother.
She can change mushroom into the mango. है ना? उसने क्या मैजिक किया? वो क्या कर सकती है? मशरूम को मैंगो में चेंज कर सकती है. मशरूम मैंगो. Once a Monday morning,
sends her to the market to buy.
Mother sends her to the market. Once a morning, morning मतलब सुबह. एक दिन सुबह मदर ने उसे कहा भेजा मिल्क लेने टू बाय अ मिल्क एंड muffins. Milk.
Milana meets a little boy on her way. What is your name?
मिलाना कहाँ गई थी? मिल्क एंड मफिन्स लेने. मिलाना को किसने भेजा था? उसकी मम्मा ने मतलब मदर ने. सो मिलाना मीट वन बॉय ऑन हर वे. मिलाना को रास्ते में कौन मिला? वन बॉय. कौन मिला? वन बॉय. सो मिलाना आस्क्ड व्हाट इज योर नेम. मिलाना आस्क्ड क्या आप मेरे दोस्त बनोगे? मिलाना ने पूछा व्हाट इज योर नेम. क्या आप मेरे दोस्त बनोगे? विल यू बी माई फ्रेंड? शी आस्क्ड. उसने पूछा किससे? बॉय से. अभी बॉय क्या बोलता है सुनेंगे. ओके.
My name is Mojo, he says. Milana give.
My name is Mojo. बॉय बोला my name is Mojo. मिलाना give him a muffin. मिलाना ने क्या किया?
And says, come, let's sit on the magical mat.
मिलाना ने क्या किया? उसको मफिन दिया एंड उसे बोला कम लेट्स सिट ऑन अ मैजिकल मैट. जिसपे वो खड़े थे. राइट. कम लेट्स सिट ऑन अ मैजिकल मैट. ओके बच्चों, तो ये स्टोरी से हमें क्या सीखने को मिलता है? ये स्टोरी से हमने एम रिलेटेड कितनी इसमें देखी. राइट. इसमें हमने कितनी थिंग्स ऑब्जेक्ट देखे एम रिलेटेड. सो पहले हम देखते हैं कि हमने कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट देखे. फर्स्ट मिलाना द मैजिशियन. देन
let's recall now.
मिलाना मोजो.
Magician.
मिलाना कौन थी? मैजिशियन थी. राइट. देन मिलाना के पास क्या था? मैजिकल मैट.
Mat.
मशरूम ने मिलाना ने मशरूम को क्या किया था? चेंज इनटू द मैंगो. यस. देन मिल्क मफिन्स कहाँ लेने गई थी मिलाना? शॉप में. राइट. मदर एंड ऑल्सो मदर. तो आप लोगों को स्टोरी अच्छी लगी? यस. दिस स्टोरी ये स्टोरी M से रिलेटेड है। सो पेरेंट्स, ये स्टोरी आप अपने बच्चों को बता सकते हो और ये स्टोरी की लिंक हम ग्रुप में शेयर कर देंगे। So now today we learn a new letter, letter M. And M says M says I am a capital letter M. I am a small letter M. I am a capital letter M. I am a small letter M. I look like this. I look like this. So now M says M says So M for mushroom. M for mushroom. M for moon. M for moon. M for magnet. 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 M for monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. M for mouse. Mouse. Mouse means chooha. M for mat. Mat. There are two types of mat. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, one is doormat and one is other, जो हम बैठने में या डाइनिंग टेबल पे यूज करते हैं, राइट? M for mango. Mango. Remember मैंने अभी आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाई, उसमें मिलाना ने क्या किया था? मशरूम को चेंज किया था into mango, right? M for mango. Mango. So again, M for mushroom. M for moon. M for magnet. M for monkey. M for mouse. M for mat. M for mango. So now how we write small letter M. Today we learn how to write small letter M. So in blue line, between two blue lines, make a standing line, then curve, standing line, then another curve and standing line. M says M says What is the phonic sound of M? So now today's class work is in English textbook. Take out your English textbook, everyone. Circle the object whose name begin with M sound. So today's class work is in English textbook. Take out your English textbook, everyone. And page number 16. Take out page number 16. Write CW here. Remember kids and parents, हम अभी इसके आगे हम पेंसिल से यूज करेंगे. So ready, be ready. Take out your pencil and eraser. In this video we use crayons, but in इसके बाद का वीडियो जो आएगा उसमें हम क्या यूज करेंगे? पेंसिल. So circle the object whose name begin with M sound. What is the phonic sound of M? What is the phonic sound of M? M for spoon. Spoon. No. M for mango. Mango. Yes. So circle the object like this. Then paste the sticker here. Paste the sticker here. So where is the sticker? In the last page of book. So take out your sticker. And paste it here. Like this. Now today's classwork is in English textbook, page number 17. M says M says So now write CW here and date. So shall we start today's classwork? Come with me. So now first of all write CW and date. And are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Yes, we are happy today. So now trace and write the letter So tracing part is done. Now writing time. So how we write? Standing line like this. Then downside curve. Between two blue lines हमने कर्व को ब्लू लाइन से दोनों ब्लू लाइन से टच करना है, राइट? Then another like this. Again standing line. Then downside curve. Then another downside curve. आप लोग देख रहे हो मेरी दोनों ब्लू लाइन से टच है, तो आपको भी सेम टू सेम दोनों ब्लू लाइन से एंड को टच करके लिखना है. ओके. Again standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve, and says standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve, and says standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve, and says now again standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve, and says standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve, and says M for mango, M for mouse, M for mat, M for mango, and says downside curve, again downside curve. I know ये थोड़ा हार्ड है, पर जैसे जैसे आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप लोग ये सीख जाओगे. Standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve. So today's class work is in English textbook page number 17, and our today's class work is done. Now homework time. So our today's homework is in English textbook page number 17. So 3 line is in classwork and 1 line is in homework. So write HW here. And how we write the homework? First so today's homework is in English textbook page number 17. 1 line. First between two blue lines make a standing line, then downside curve, then another downside curve. Again standing line, downside curve, and another downside curve. Standing line, downside curve, another downside curve. So today's classwork and homework is done. Hope you like it. So again remember parents, today's classwork is in English textbook page number 16, 17, 3 lines. Then homework page number 17, 1 line is in homework. Hope you like today's classwork and homework. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your awesome day.